Hi, I would love to share some of my experiences that I've gone through actually. The older I get, is the more I realize so many of our beliefs and perceptions change with time. Before, you experience some hurtful conditions or life-changing experiences like a loss of a loved one, loss of a good job, hitting rock bottom, divorce, something that changes your whole mind, character, how you view life, marriage, partnership, everything. Before your patience, your character is tested, there are some things you will never understand. But as I grow older, I get to realize why some people become cold, soft, humble, exciting, like their life changes, maybe happier after a certain life experience. So the older I grow, I have noticed pain changes people in different ways. Growing up makes you understand so many things. I have been humbled in so many ways by circumstances, and somehow I re-humble myself and I start realizing my journey is more of a learning and to adopt. So I lower so many of my expectations. I find myself so reserved because life has changed me totally.